Hey everyone, welcome to another Fab FAQ Friday. I am Karly Edwards for HD Dental Coaching, and I am here with my friend LeeAnn Shipwick.
Yes, I am here too, LeeAnn Shipwick, HD Dental Coaching too.
Yeah. So it is Friday today. I couldn't be happier. It was a long week.
Big sigh, happy it's Friday.
I'm sure everybody out there feels the same way.
Right?
Unless you work on the weekends. Then of course it doesn't really matter.
They all blur together.
They all blur together. So LeeAnn, I have a question, and it actually came from one of my colleagues back in Regina, Saskatchewan.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. So
good old Saskatchewan.
Good old Saskatchewan. So their question is, we have so many cancellations. Why?
Ooh, that's a great question. Well, first of all, because we let them. And when I say we, I mean, it's the collective we in the whole office. It's not just one particular breakdown. It can be, but lots of times it's if we haven't, let's say in the hygiene department, if we haven't invoked the reason for them to come back, their sense of urgency, they don't have importance, they don't put it high on their priority. Yeah, the value.
There's no value.
So if we haven't created the value, you're going to have lots of breaks in your schedule. That's one reason. The other reason is sometimes it's just flu season. You have lots of cancellations in that. But mostly I would say it's because we haven't created value for the appointment, and so they peel off. And do we have a process and protocol, procedures in place so that doesn't happen? And if it happens, what's the backup plan? So that would be my answer.
The gaps will happen, so you definitely need to know what the action is going to be when it does happen.
Is there anything else you'd like to chime in? Did I cover it?
I think so. The only other thing that I would maybe mention is confirming processes. Make sure that you're confirming with enough time. There's lots of different ways that you can do it. I do like two business days prior to the appointment, whether it was booked, 2 weeks ago or 6 months ago. Sometimes for hygiene as well, I've even seen clinics pre-confirming 2 weeks.
Yeah, I think that's not a bad idea, especially in crazy times like this. And there's lots of automized systems that you can use to do that. So it's not necessarily using a person physically calling all the time. People love the text message reminders nowadays.
It's so easy.
You
hit Y and then you're confirmed.
Yeah, set something like that up and see if that helps your problem. So,
yeah. Awesome. Good answer.
Yeah. Great question. Thanks, Regina.
Thanks, Regina. Everyone have a great weekend. It was so nice to see you all, and I can't wait for next FAQ Friday.
Me too. Bye-bye.
Bye.